Are you guys ready for the ultimate camping experience? Check out the 2026 Forest River IBEX 19 BRK, equipped with Beast Mode package. That includes the all-terrain tires, Kurt independent suspension. You're going to get an additional 200 watts of solar, 200 watt inverter, freshwater filter, max air vent cover. Plenty of pass-through storage, outdoor griddle that attaches right here to the side, your outdoor shower. Of course, you've got a lovely bar, flips down and closes up. Tankless water heater, makes everybody happy. If you want to pause here and check out those features, we'll come up into the kitchen area. You've got a 12-volt fridge, nice barn style sink, got a cup washer, nice spray nozzle, air fryer, microwave, 2-burner stovetop, plenty of storage underneath, a little pantry space right here. Brings us to the theater seating. Those tables are detachable. Fold out, kick back, and relax. Nice bar stools pulled up to your bar area. Little TV for entertainment. We go to the pass-through bathroom. Plenty of room in that shower. Plenty of room around that sink. Nice medicine cabinet. This one also comes equipped with the Road Vac sweep kick, queen size bed, storage beside, above, 4 drawers below. You guys have any questions with the 2019 Forest River IBEX 19 BRK Beast Mode package? Give us a call, shoot us a text at 903-447-2633. Lake Tawakoni RV Center. Thanks for watching.